Hey folks, and welcome to the channel. In our shop today is a 2014 Toyota Tundra. We'll be installing a 3-inch front leveling kit. It's a fairly easy process. You'll just need some metric wrenches, some metric sockets, a mallet, and a good-sized pry bar. So let's get started.
With the wheels off, unplug the ABS wiring from the back of the wheel hub and unclip it from the control arm. Disconnect the sway bar link from the lower control arm. Disconnect the outer tie rod end. Remove the brake caliper and hand it out of the way. Disconnect the brake lines from the control arm. Slide off the brake rotor and set it aside. Disconnect the 3 upper strut mount nuts. Disconnect the upper ball joint and knock it loose with a mallet. Disconnect the lower strut bolt. Now loosen, but do not remove, the lower control arm bolts. And wiggle the strut assembly out of the truck. Over at the bench, install the strut spacer onto the top of the strut assembly and tighten the factory nuts to 33 foot-pounds. Install the strut back into the vehicle and torque the included upper strut mount bolts to 33 foot-pounds. Install the lower strut mount bolt and torque its nut down to 144 foot-pounds. Attach the steering knuckle to the upper ball joint and tighten its nut to 81 foot-pounds. Then install a fresh cotter pin. Install the brake rotor and caliper and tighten the caliper bolts to 73 foot-pounds. Attach the tie rod to the steering knuckle and torque its nut to 60 foot-pounds. Attach the stabilizer link to the control arm and run its bolt down to 89 foot-pounds. Reattach the ABS wiring and brake lines and you're good to go.
So we've got our leveling kit installed on our Tundra and we're really happy how it turned out. If you're happy how this video turned out, please hit like. If this is your first time checking out our channel, please hit subscribe. As always, if you have any questions at all about any of our products, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We've been at this a very long time, so if you've got a question, we'll have an answer. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.